Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Sincerely, I really did miss you guys. I hope you also missed me too. This is your favorite and your number one YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment, where you get the latest gist in town as they hot. Yeah, I'm back again to give you the latest. Guess what it is? Yeah, guys, it is the BBnaija season 6. Season 6. It's gonna kickstart on the 24th day of July 2021. It's just tomorrow being Saturday. Tomorrow being Saturday. The season 6 of the BBnaija. It's show. Yeah, it's a show. It's the entertainment show. And it's going to start tomorrow. Yeah, guys, I'm so super excited. Please, if you're excited with me, let me see you dancing. Please put on your favorite emoji in the comment section below. Yeah, guys, I'm so excited about the BBnaija show starting up tomorrow. I'm going to glue my ass to my seat and then fix my eye on the telly because I wouldn't want to miss any bit of the whole thing. Yeah, guys, let's just see how it goes. Let's anticipate the whole drama in the show. um the whole fight, the whole quarrel, the whole love saga. Or this time around, whether it's going to be triangle or it's trapezium, we don't even know which one. Yeah, guys, we're yet to know the theme for this year's show. Stay tuned tomorrow. Tomorrow, please don't forget. Tomorrow, we're going to get the theme for this year's show, and we'll see how the team players in the game will get it all rolling. Yeah, it's no news that the Big Brother Naija has some rules and regulation for their housemates in the show. Yes, there's some rules and regulation that the housemates in the show should follow. Okay, let's run through the rules and regulation. A very quick one. Rule number one: housemates must respect the house and their fellow contestants at all time. Yeah, I like this part of the whole thing because there should be respect. At least I should respect you. You should respect me, irrespective of age, irrespective of your status, whatsoever. We're all in the game. We're all in the show together. Rule number two: housemates, we have to contact with the outside housemate. We have no contact with the outside world, and they are kept busy by various tasks and challenge set by Biggie. Being in such close proximity with a house full of strangers can be tough going, and Biggie has set rules that needed to be followed. Yeah, it's no news that the Big Brother Naija contestants, once they are in the house, it's an in-house entertainment show, and once they are in the house, they have no content. They have nothing to do with the outside world. They cannot even, I don't think they hear the sound of a mulu or drone or anything passing. They are enclosed, they are inside in an enclosed environment, with a lot of activities to carry on, a lot of taxes to win, a lot of cash to win, a lot of tax to carry on, a lot of cash to win. Exactly. So they need to be focused. They don't need external distraction. Please, guys, don't be an external distraction to them. Yeah, Biggie also have some rules for them that'll help them enjoy the game while it lasts. Rule number three: Big Brother has complete control over everything going on in the house, and Biggie never discuss anything that goes on outside of the house with anyone inside the house. Yes, it's against the rule. It's against the whole game, because Big Brother cannot be telling them whatsoever their fans are doing outside, whatsoever thing fans are saying on Twitter, Instagram, social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, whatsoever it is. Whomsoever has come to be a sponsor to whom, which any one of them, Big Brother cannot be telling them that inside the house. No, it's not done. So Big Brother takes control over everything, all their actions, what they eat, what they want, and what they do inside the house. Yeah, guys, it's a very interesting one. Rule number four: the housemates are filmed 24/7. Kayode, please, this time around, please show us the very and most interesting part. We don't want to listen or hear story that touches the house after the whole after the whole show. Please, there's not gonna be blowing our head. Kayode, do your work personally, unless I will ask Katrina to come and be the next video man. Okay, guys, the housemates will be filmed 24/7, and they must have their microphone on at all times. The viewers must be able to hear all conversations at all times, and they are not allowed to whisper or cover their mouth while speaking to fellows housemates. While speaking to fellow housemates, they are also not allowed to review their location on off the cameras and microphone. Yeah. If you watch the last seasons, you will remember that Biggie actually sanctioned and disciplined some of them for whispering, some of them for not putting on their microphone. He was always correcting them. So it's one of the rules and regulation in the house that they must always have their microphone on. No whispering, no covering of mouth, because me and you, need to hear whatsoever they are saying. Yeah, guys, that is it. And they are not allowed to expose their location on cameras. Yeah. I think it's one of the rules, because even outside the house, I don't think I've had any one of them see suit. That's okay. Rule number 5. Diary section is always a moment of sober. For some people, the diary section is always a time for them to cry. Some people, it's a time for them to express their feelings. Some people, it's a time for them to talk one on one with Biggie, to tell Biggie how they feel, to make their request. And it's so interesting that Biggie actually grants their request too. They actually requested for a washing machine. As much as Biggie was unable to provide the washing machine in the house, she got a washing machine outside the house on her birthday from Biggie. Yeah, rule number 5, diary section are one of the most important aspects of the show's success and are compulsory. Once a housemate is called to the diary room, they must drop everything they are doing and proceed to the diary room. Failure to do so will result in a fine, a strike, or worse. Housemates can request to enter the diary room at any time of the day or night. Sunglasses and hats are not permitted in the diary room. The door for the diary room will be locked when not in use, and to no one is allowed into the room if it is occupied. If someone else is in the diary section or in the diary room, no one else is allowed. So at any time, you're allowed to go into the diary section. Just make your request, and then Biggie invites you up in, even at night, to have a heart-to-heart talk with Biggie. Wow, that can be so interesting. Seriously, that Biggie actually wants to hear them. Yeah, this is very important. Diary section and nominations are compulsory, and housemate needs to give their valid reasons for nominating a fellow housemate. Biggie reserves the right to take his time to answer any questions, but will always return with an answer. Biggie will not entertain any person questions. What happens in the diary room stays in the diary room, and housemates cannot discuss anything that happens in the diary room. Exceptions to these rules are events such as head of house tax. Yeah. So whatever you discuss in the diary room with Biggie, you're not allowed to disclose it. But we can see some stuffs in the other show. Some of them, they are close pals. They were able to say one or two things. I'll give one or two clues to their friends on whatsoever they did in the diary section with Biggie, all their discussions in the diary section with Biggie. Yeah, guys, rule number 6, nominations are very important, and housemates are allowed to discuss the reasons for their nomination. If a housemate does so, it will be interrupted as a deliberate attempt to influence others. They are not allowed to communicate via hints, signs, symbols, or written notes. Housemates are not allowed to enter into the alliance or schemes to plot the downfall of fellow housemates. Communication in the house in Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, or any other language other than English is not permitted. It's very prohibited. Yeah, guys. You're not allowed to speak any other language aside from the general common language in Nigeria, which is English language, borrowed language by the British that colonized. Yeah, guys, they're allowed to nominate, and it's compulsory for every one of them to nominate. They're not allowed to write. Anything whatsoever on paper or communication or trying to plot the downfall of anyone of anybody, even though if you hate, you can hate, but don't plot the person's downfall. Yeah, guys, rule number 7: housemates are not allowed to strike, intimidate, threaten, or act in any way that can be constructed as violence towards any fellow housemate. This could result in immediate disqualification. I think this was one of the issue that what's her name, queen of girls, Erica had. Yeah, Erica and Tasha. Yes, I think this was what they what one of the things they had. Fighting in the house, any kind of violence is not allowed. Trying to use some kind of harsh, so offensive, abusive words in the house are not allowed. It could cause to your disqualification, and you get a strike. And once you get a one strike, two strike, the third strike is your what? Disqualification. Excuse me. Yeah, rule number 8: housemates are not allowed to bring the following items into the house. They are called contraband items. Guys, if we went to a boarding school and you have all these contraband items, you know how it's like that. It's almost the same thing here with the Big Brother Naija log house, yes, entertainment show. All those contraband items they say you should not bring. You know the way you smuggle it your way in. Now please, let's vibe together. I was actually a border, so comment in the comment section below. Let's know how you rolled. I remember putting my yaji and my pepper inside my suit because my uniform was a suit pullover. I just teared you like this and I put it inside and I carry my tea inside the school. Yeah, guys, they have some rules and regulation here stating that there are some contraband items. There are some items they are not meant to carry into the Big Brother Naija house. Okay, let's read that suit. You're not meant to carry into the CD players, radio, iPod, iPad, Walkman, DVD, Blu-ray player, television, mobile phone, smartphone, computer, laptop, notepad, video game, console, computer games, calendars. Calendar is part of it. Wahala. Even diary. Me, I like writing diary. Guys, please comment in the comment section below if you know you love writing diary, and then let me hear your opinion. If you were to be in a Big Brother house and you were asked not to carry your diary in, how would you feel? I'm glued to my diary. Let's hear your opinion, guys. Okay, they have pen and paper or any writing material, eyeliner, or any other makeup that can be used for writing. Wow. Like, wow. I'm also wow, like I'm also just seeing this. Yeah, guys, alarm clock, watch, any electronic equipment requiring batteries, weapon, drugs, medication, except for agreed personnel's, wow, medication in consultation with Big Brother. So if you have any kind of health challenge, except for consultation from your medical personnel, you're not allowed to carry in any kind of medication into the Big Brother house. Yeah, that doesn't mean when you are sick you wouldn't be attended to. No, sir. No, ma. Big Brother has a way of attending to their patient. You remember when V was sick, most of them were sick in the house. Big Brother attended to them and they were healed. Yeah, 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 yeah. There were drugs provided for them. Clothes with prominent logos, clothes with fine stripes or dots, strike, sleek clothes, solid white clothes, your pen cards and your children. Although you can bring pictures of your children and your cats. That's interesting. You're not allowed to bring your kids to the Big Brother show. You're not allowed to bring your pets, like your cat, your dog, your... That thing I like talking very well. Parrots. Me, I'm not a parrot too. Shame you. It's not my handwriting. Yeah, guys, these are some of the contraband items that have been on the listed below. There are some kind of wares that are also not permitted. Some wares with some kind of, let's say, drawings on them. Rule number 10, guys: housemates can bring the following into the house. Yeah, when you're not allowed to bring some into the house, there are still others you're free to bring into the house. Cigarettes, cigars, tobacco. Hey, Biggie, you want some people to go and hire mental colo? Yeah, guys, these are things that is actually allowed. Like it's even shocking me. It's like electric, but barbed wire. Yeah. Reading materials, either a book or a magazine, moisturizing cream, shaving foam, deodorant, shower lotion, pack of razor blade. Pack of razor blade. There are things. Okay, I think these are personal accessories for your personal upkeep and personal hygiene. Yeah, day cream, night cream, your eye cream. The otutu ni eye cream. I've not heard it too. Eye. That means if I'm rubbing cream in my face, the one I will rub in my eye is different from the one I will rub in my in my nose. Yeah, guys, you're allowed to bring those ones: your perfume or aftershave, your hairspray, your gel hair conditioner and wax, your lip balm, musical instruments, provided it doesn't need battery. Whoa! I would really love this one, sincerely. Trust me, I would really love this. And I'll get myself entertained, I'll get the housemates entertained, and I'll get my viewers entertained. It's all about the entertainment show, guys. So if I'm allowed to bring my musical instrument, trust me, I am surely going to get my musical instrument down into the house, because I know it's going to be one of my strategies to keep myself inside the house, because I know my viewers want me to be playing for them all the time. Even Biggie would not even want to remove me. Yeah, guys, that's this. Rule number 12, the last but not the least, because I trust me, there's still other rules. Only Biggie can open the storage room where the housemates will find everything that they need for the tax. Only Biggie. The roommates, the head of house, have no access to the storage room. Yeah, where they find whatsoever they need for whatsoever tax they have at the moment. Biggie will inform the housemates that the storage room is open, and the head of house will proceed there to receive what Biggie has put there for the housemates daily and weekly needs. Even if you place your orders, maybe you want to buy something with your money or whatever it may be, only Biggie has that access. Only Biggie. Biggie Nikan. Biggie Nikan. Yeah, guys, only Biggie has access for that. And with these rules, well, they're not too bad, the rules that you they can't keep to. Yeah. Whatsoever they're allowed to bring in, it's also, in fact, the one that's really interesting me so much is the musical instrument. Please, out of the rules, out of the items you're allowed to bring inside the house, comment in the comment section down below the one that you actually love most. For me, I like the fact that you can bring any musical instrument so long as it's not having a battery. It doesn't have to do with battery or something. You're free to bring it inside the house. And as long as it doesn't have anything to do with charging, I think so. Because they are not allowed to bring phone and you cannot charge your phone. Anyway, guys, this is this and the rules and regulation for the Big Brother season 6 show. I've not know the name, I've not know the title. We are yet to see the title, as I said earlier on of the show. Please, guys, stay tuned with me on this YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. I'll do my best, in my best regards, to bring you the latest gist once the show kickstarts. I won't leave any point untouched, guys. Stay tuned with me. If you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, do well to please subscribe. Let's roll together on a daily basis as the house is coming up. Hot babies. Please like and comment in the comment section below. Don't forget your number one YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Until next time, I'm a queen. Bye.